Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on WhatsApp status, right? If you're facing an issue, just follow my instruction and you will able to fix your problem. First of all, you have to just go to your Play Store or App Store, and by the way, the instruction which I'm going to show you in this video can be followed in your iOS device too. Once we're here, just tap for search for WhatsApp, right, and you will get this in the place of open. If you find this option of update, then update your WhatsApp messenger right now, and once it's done, try to open it and try to open a WhatsApp status. If it's worked perfectly fine, then it's great. If it doesn't, just go to the setting of your phone and here just tap app management. App management is basically, it will show you all the application which is installed in your phone, right? And once you're here, you have to search for WhatsApp, right? And here WhatsApp will be here. Just go to the storage usage. Now clear the cache. Try to reopen your WhatsApp. If it is work perfectly fine, then it's great. And by the way, in between, try to install and reinstall your WhatsApp too. And I hope your problem is solved, but if it doesn't, then just go to the clear data. And by the way, let me inform you, clearing data means you have to relog in your WhatsApp. So make sure you have all the information before you just clear the data. But clearing the data will definitely fix your problem instantly. And once you click on OK, it will just delete your data, and once you re-log in back into your WhatsApp, your problem will be fixed forever. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.